If your Philips air purifier suddenly won't turn on, the issue is usually something simple rather than a serious hardware failure. In many cases, the purifier stops powering up because of power supply problems, a filter door that isn't fully closed, or a safety switch that prevents the unit from running when something isn't installed correctly. These safety features are designed to protect the motor and ensure proper air filtration. The good news is that most startup problems can be solved quickly by checking the power connection, reseating the filter, and performing a quick reset. Step 1. Check that the air purifier is plugged in properly and test the wall outlet with another device. Step 2. Inspect the power cord and circuit breaker to make sure power is reaching the purifier. Step 3. Open the filter door, reseat the filter correctly, and close the door firmly until it clicks. Step 4. Unplug the purifier for 30 to 60 seconds to perform a quick reset and clear temporary glitches. Step 5. If it still won't start, consult the user manual or contact Philips support to check for possible hardware issues.